Hello everybody, Joel here. So I've got an 05 F-150 that I just picked up, and the spare tire was just resting in the back of the box. And these F-150s have a lowering device where you slide a crank handle, actually your jack handle, into the end here. It goes right into that slot, and then it lowers this cable and holding apparatus for the spare tire, and then you crank it up and it cinches right up nice and tight in the kind of in a little basket here. So I've got to spray some lube on there, see if I can't get that thing to crank down and get my spare tire back up underneath here where it belongs. So you can see that this wrench here, the tire iron, has a square hole in it to go into, here's the other end of the tire iron, to go into here. There's a crimped spot on this tube to go square, but I've got to be able to get this on here. It looks like it may have been twisted at some point. I don't remember that being this way. It seemed like this was a handle and maybe it got twisted off, but I'm going to try to get this on there and see if we can't crank that down. You could see that it was full of dirt. Okay, let's go back under. Well, that should do it. Tire's up nice and secure. I like how it's sitting. Solid. But I'll check it after driving around a little bit, because I'm sure it may settle just a pinch. And just give it another tighten, but looks good. I put the spare tire from another vehicle on here. My old truck. This was a lot nicer spare compared to the other one. Was getting pretty bald, so mission accomplished. Going to paint this black. I've got some good black paint that'll take care of the receiver. Dress that up a little bit, but some other things I've got to do. But thanks for watching this one, and we'll catch you on the next video.